खामोशी इख्तियार करने पर भी बेहद अफसोस का इजहार किया और इसे हुकूमत की जानिब से मीडिया की आज़ादी को छीनने की कोशिश करार दिया। वाज़ेह रहे कि यूपी के एक सहाफ़ी ने मिड डे मील में तलबा को खाने के लिए रोटी और सिर्फ नमक दिए जाने की रिपोर्ट कवर की थी।
The journalist fraternity stop showing or stop boycotting UP for at least one day, or if not for one day, at least for half an hour. I request the 9 PM nationalists who day in day out cast aspersions on my integrity, please show unity, because it is your fraternity who is being targeted. And a weird statement is made that says that no, you should have taken a photograph, not a video. So tomorrow even you can be booked. Please be careful. You know, what kind of nonsense is this? Press has to be free, but unfortunately the press is being suppressed. Unfortunately, there are some elements in the media who have become in-house journal of the ruling party, in-house TV of the ruling party, and that is what you get. It is high time that you show your independence and do something. I condemn it. The UP government's step has to be condemned. I am totally with that journalist who has shown the truth, and that is what needs to be done. The truth has to be shown, whether whoever is in power.
तेलंगाना में कई जगहों पर यूरिया की किल्लत